Hi everyone. When x equals 1 plus square root of 3 times I, all divided by 2, we're going to evaluate x to the power of 4 plus 2x squared minus 3x minus 1. All right, to do that, this is our key right here, so I'm going to solve for this and square it. So what I mean is I'm going to cross multiply, get 2x equals 1 plus square root of 3 times I. And then subtract the 1, you get 2x minus 1 equals square root of 3 times I. Now squaring both sides, I'm going to square both of these sides because we want to divide here. This is going to give me 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 on the left hand side. And on the right hand side we're going to get negative 3. Don't forget that I squared equals negative 1. All right, now I'm going to add the 3 to both sides, so we get 4x squared minus 4x plus 4. And if you divide everything by 4, let's put equals 0 first. Let me put that first. Okay, now divide everything by 4. That's going to give you x squared minus x plus 1 equals 0. All right, so that's what this is. And we're going to divide into that using long division. So we have x squared minus x plus 1, and we're going to divide it into this term, this polynomial. So that's x to the power of 4. We don't have x cubed, so I'm going to just do a placeholder, or you can just kind of leave a space. That's what a lot of people, I put a 0 there for my placeholder, and 2x squared minus 3x minus 1. All right, so you say what times x squared gives you x to the power of 4. That's going to be x squared. So multiply each term by x squared, and this is going to give you x to the power of 4 minus x cubed plus x squared. And then we're going to subtract, and that eliminates the first term. That's why we picked that. So when you subtract each term, you're going to get x cubed plus x squared, and then we're going to bring down, since we're starting with x squared, let's go ahead and bring down negative 3x. And we can also bring down the negative 1. All right. Now, what times x squared gives you x cubed? And that's just going to be x. All right, so that's going to give you, when you multiply this, that's going to give you x cubed minus x squared, and then plus x. And then again, we're going to subtract. And so that gives you 2x squared minus 4x. And then we'll bring down this 1. And finally, let's do it one more time. We're going to do plus 2. So 2 times all this gives you 2x squared minus 2x plus 2. Then we subtract. All right. And this is going to give you negative 2x minus 3. So this is your remainder. And if you rewrite this, and I'm not going to rewrite this because I'm running out of room, but I want to do it on this slide here. This whole thing here equals your divisor times your quotient plus your remainder. In our case, it's going to be minus 2x minus 3. And I apologize for squeezing this in, but I wanted to show you something. So that's this whole thing. I'll put equals this. But this right here is 0, right? So this equals 0 here. So what happens is this is 0, so that when you multiply this, you get 0. So basically, this whole equation here just equals our remainder. Therefore, what we have is x to the power of 4 plus 2x squared minus 3x minus 1 equals negative 2x minus 3. Now, We're going to evaluate it when x equals this. So we're just going to write negative 2 minus 3 and substitute in our x as 1 plus square root of 3I divided by 2. And let's see what happens. The 2's cancel. So negative 1 minus square root of 3 times I, then minus 3. So combining these two terms, we get negative 4 minus square root of 3 times I. Sometimes I like to put that I in front so you make sure it's not under the radical. Either way, these are fine. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.